What does repost mean on TikTok? Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into the repost feature on TikTok and what it does. So if you've ever seen the repost button on TikTok and wonder what that actually does, let's break down it under a minute. So when you tap the repost button on someone's video, so I've got this video open here, I can tap on the share icon and then I can just tap on repost right over here. So as you can see, I've reposted this video. So it shares the video with your followers on the For You page. It's kind of like retweeting on X or Twitter. It helps you show the cool content you found when uploading it yourself. And your followers will see the reposted video with your name and comment on top of it, but it won't appear on your profile. So if you go over to your profile section, it won't be right here on your post section. Instead, you can find the repost section separately right here on your profile, where you can find your reposted videos. The credit still goes to the original creator, and TikTok just adds your recommendations to it. And if you ever change your mind, you can just tap on your reposted and then tap on this again to remove the repost. So tap on remove repost and you'll be good to go. So that's what the repost button basically does on TikTok. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.